Okay, guys, I see a lot of people talking about EJH. It is down 21%. Is this a nice opportunity to buy? I'm going to show you guys the ins and the outs, what I think, and all that. So the first target for me when I played this initially was an EMA 5 target, and it actually gave way more than that, and was a nice, beautiful area here. From the lows here to here, this was a 43% move. Very nice gains. I'm not looking for anything massive. And what is really nice is we did not touch the EMA 10, and that's very good for the bulls because we know that's going to get touched. It will get touched, and higher volume stocks tend to stick to that. So the last time we touched this EMA 10 was way back in 813. Current date is 919, so we're definitely due. If you guys know my system, you might be. If you don't know it, you might be looking like, what the heck am I looking at? So basically, this is the band strategy. You had the EMAs. The EMA, we had the 5, the 10, and then the 20 is the blue. So the 5 is this purple, the 10 is this yellow, and then the blue is this 20. This green band is a very customized indicator. It's one of the best. When price is under it, this is where price is extremely oversold. So when we're looking at EJH, you might be like, wow, that thing it was extremely oversold. And yes, it went completely under it. And this is why I do not trade the first candle down, because a lot of times you'll see it go down and then we get another move down, and then it just goes down and down. So this is why time distance is the most important thing. So anything that don't touch this EMA 5 and 7 daily candles is long, but oftentimes what I notice in my experience is that big drops like this candle right here tend to have longer time distance. So I try to double it. I try to look for 14 daily candles because it's going to be more unique. So if you count this, the last time we touched the EMA 5 was clearly this candle. And you can count for here. We're not touching the EMA 5, the purple band. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You can clearly see, like to a T, how perfect that is. So, I mean, yeah, whenever there's a big candle, always double the time distance because it's going to take longer. And then you can see, obviously, from here to here, that was a nice 40% move. Obviously, you wouldn't catch the whole move. I would look for the 10 to 20% gain, take some out, scale some out, and then trail stop it. But this was beautiful. We touched this EMA 5, recouped this ATR 4. We tried to hit the 10 over here, but this is our next target for the 10. Anything that don't touch the 10 in 1 month is long. Well, I mean, I think we all can agree we are at that point right now, 813 to 913. And now I was waiting, obviously you wouldn't take it up in here because, one, you're just too close to the EMA 10. There's really not much target region. If you look from here to here, it's just too low. And this is going to fluctuate as price goes down. So EJH is down 19% as we speak. I'm looking at the 1 minute candle. We had a big, kind of drastic move down. We kind of see what the news is right here. Announced a share consolidation move. That was about 1 hour ago. That's kind of what happened here. EMA recommends extending indication of Mpox vaccine to adolescents. So yeah, so we had that, and that's what kind of happened here, right? About an hour ago. So should you buy and all that? And anybody that's been in this before, you just really got to do a system that really makes sense the most. Obviously, we all know when the EMA 5 gets hit, that is a very big target, and a lot of algos will target that, especially when you get close to the 10. So the lower band is currently sitting at 0.8 cents. The price is right now 0.7. So I'm curious, are we going to open below this band? That would be extremely bullish. That would be a very nice area. So yeah, that's kind of what I want to see. As of right now, we are. So, but as you can see, the band's going to fluctuate down a little. So I think we're going to be kind of sitting right on it. And what's nice is we just barely missed the 10. And like I said, all prices have to hit it. It doesn't matter what company it is. Price will hit that EMA 10. But, if something has like really bad news, then yes, it could take longer. But we are past that 1 month mark, so we're at a month and a week. So I definitely could see that happening. And if we get this lower band up to that 10, that is a nice, decent 37% move. So I do like the return on that investment here. We did break all-time support, which is this cent mark here, so we're going to be down here. So do keep that in mind. So yeah, I think this is not a bad stock, to be honest. EJH, obviously it's less than 10 cents, so it is a lot more riskier. Do keep that in mind. It is, I believe, a China company too. So do keep that in mind, and that's why I'm a little more picky on those. Waiting 14 daily candles and having this big move up was pretty nice. And then for the 1 month EMA 10, I would look for about 1 month and 2 weeks. It will probably hit this. So definitely keep this on alert. It has a K of 25.61. It's kind of high. As you can see, when we're down in these areas, we're at the 13 region. So or this one was really low at the 3 region here. So but that's not like the big thing. I just had that in there because when price gets like to the K value of 2, then it's like it's one of the best stochastic oscillators because it'll never go to 0. So yeah, this is definitely a good discount here. Now it went down a little bit here, so we're down 20% after hours. Like I said, for me, I want to wait till the the market opens and kind of see where this daily candle goes, and we'll go from there. So if you guys know my strategy, you guys know I do 2 accumulations. One usually at the end of the day, and then if it goes down again at the end of the day, and then 20% stop loss is where I'd like to have it. But we're only taking trades at this ATR4. Once it gets above this green band, then it's out of the buy zone. We're only, repeat, taking it here. So I'm very curious what that daily candle is. As of now, we are under it because the price is in the 7-cent region. This green band here is 8 cents. So let's just see where that opens up at tomorrow. So this is looking pretty good. And obviously, yeah, look at this nice little gain here. It's, from the highs to the lows, this was a 26%. Obviously, you wouldn't get the the whole move, but you'll probably get about 10 to 15%, depending on that region here. So you can see the bulls are trying to pick this up here. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish on this one. I really think this can have a big rally. For a penny stock, this is one on the radar. If you guys are looking for penny stocks, this is the one I would probably recommend. Obviously, sub 10 cents are very risky, but it's meeting my system at this ATR4 coming in hot. And then, obviously, we haven't hit the 10. It's definitely due for that. Even you can see right here, all prices will hit this. The EMA 5 got hit. Now the next target's the 10. Then after that, the next target is this 20 right here. So do keep that in mind. So, but that 20 was going to take a while to get hit. So definitely want to keep this one in mind. And if you guys want to join the premium Discord and see this system in real time and learn how to do it, click the Discord, the link down below in the YouTube comments will say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be in the description. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. And what you want to do is hit server shop in the top left, and you'll see the memberships I offer. The day and swing trading plus is $12 a month, and that is my bread and butter type of plays. I love day trading. It's my highest value trades. It's my go-to, and I think you guys are gonna love day trading a whole lot more than swing trading because obviously swing trading, look, minus 21%, release news after hours. There's no, there's nothing you can do about that, right? Whereas day trading, I'm in and out within minutes, making 10 to 20% gains, constantly. And that's really what I want to, want to teach, and that's really why I like day trading a lot. But yeah, obviously swing trading, I do have plays, if a play meets my system on a daily candle, because I only do dailies, because it gives the highest value for swing trading, then yes, I would look to look into a position like this. So EJH is looking very good for a swing trade very soon. But yeah, check out the services. $12 a month, and that's all it is. I paid hundreds of dollars for people that don't even teach you how to fish. They just give you a watch list. At least with this service, I'm going to teach you guys what I look for and all that, and you get access to all these memberships on the left for the $12 a month. You're going to get day trade alerts right here. You're going to get day trading education, swing trading education, swing trade alerts, and the premium chat, a big community that's looking for the same type of plays for us. So and that's really important because a lot of times when I'm looking for trades, we have a lot of people that know this system and be like, hey, have you checked this trade out? I'm like, holy crap, yeah, that's a good trade. So yeah, keep that in mind, guys. I think you guys are going to really like this trade coming up. Obviously, if you got in on this first big red candle and been holding it ever since, then yeah, it sucks, but just learn from it, take the loss, and just don't do that again. You're more than welcome to use my system, and as this is probably the best way to do swing trades. In my honest opinion, it's made me a lot of money. You just got to be very disciplined. Only trade the stocks that are at this band here. Only trade when there's time distance away from the 5, if that's your first target. The 10 is what we're aiming for next, as that's the next target, because there's a 1 month time distance. We're going to get close to this ATR4. It's going to be a good game. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link's below. I would love to have you. If you subscribe, do it on your computer, as that will save you the most money. Because if you do it on your phone, it'll charge you a couple extra dollars. But it's only $12 a month. I promise you, you'll definitely learn something. It has an over 90% win ratio for the day trades. Swing trades is up there too. And just doing this simple strategy. There's no bias. It's just what the system tells us. And yeah, I'm pretty bullish on EJH coming up here soon, guys. And if you like the video, give a like, subscribe, and comment, share to your friends. And I'll be in the Discord. And I do go live. If you guys are a little skeptical and want to see me go live, I go live every morning, usually when market opens. There's a link in the YouTube description. You'll see my live streams on Twitch. You can follow those for free if you want. And I think we're gonna make a lot of money. This is very nice. I really like these kind of setups. All right, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys in the Discord. Peace out.